Simba, how you get in there, stupid?
I don't know how to get you out of there.
I don't either without cutting the bed.
Where's Arms at?
He must have went in this hole.
But he need to try to figure it out.
I'm talking about like somebody done beat him down or
I heard
something.
him in here crying, but I said he just heard Emma.
That's what I thought too. I'm like,
Girl, he is in the hole, stuck and can't get out.
Simba. That's why you don't get up here.
You got to go and cut the mattress.
You don't have to.
Let me find some shit.
And look, he ain't gonna let me push him back in and get him out that way. I don't know how he got in there.
You know where the seals at? The top of the mattress, the best is good mattress. He done dug three holes in it. He in one of them now, stuck and can't get out of it. Brand just bought a chain.
Simba.
This is funny, honey.
And he in here dying.
I thought he was just crying because he heard Emma.
But I knew it was something. He literally crying. You okay, boy? We gonna get you out.
Yep, I'm gonna send it to you, girl. Okay.
Get Simba. Go. Get out. He ain't letting me push nothing. I'm gonna have to cut it. Brand finna be toe up.
What? Hey. Ooh, they gonna beat your ass. I hate to see that.
Boy.
Come here, Simba. Come on.
He like, how? And when I came in,
All he gotta do is come right here.
But when I came in, I thought he was in the cage because I'm hearing him when I don't see
I
him.
don't see him, Simba.
He went behind the door.
Come on.
And I see this big lump and he quiet.
Come on. If he push his head through.
He not gonna let me. He too scared to go back in. Go back. And he was crying. Look.
Can you touch him? Well, watch that pile over there. I wonder how long he been crying.
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Get your head in. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Come here, boy. Come on. Come on, Simba. Come here. He's scared. Oh, his... Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, Simba. Come on. Good boy. Good. Simba, quit trying to bite me. Come on. Come on. Ooh, is you falling down? Or... Simba, come on. Come on.
He can't tell.
Come on. Come on. Get your butt out. Oh, Jesus.
Simba, how did you do that?
That's what he get, too. That's what he get.
Come back here. Let him out.
Talk about in here hollering.
Yeah, hey, come on.
I knew it gotta had to be more than... Whew. Almost had to cut this mug open.